bicyclist. Lamar Pollard arrived in court stating that Angela Miller, the driver involved in their road accident, should take responsibility for his medical bills and the cost of fixing his damaged bicycle. He explained that the crash left him with serious injuries, and he believes Angela was the one who acted carelessly on the road. Angela, however, disagreed and filed her own claim, saying her car was damaged during the incident and she feels Lamar should help pay for the repairs. Both stood before the judge already sworn in, ready to give their sides of the story. The judge confirmed basic facts. First, Lamar was riding his bicycle on the road, while Angela was behind the wheel of a Saturn Vue, and both agreed there was a collision between them. The judge pointed out that each person blamed the other, and that is why the case ended up in court. When the judge asked how the vehicle was positioned at the time, Angela stated that she was pulling forward out of a driveway. The judge then questioned her about insurance, wanting to know who covered her car. Angela answered that her policy was with the general, but when asked if it was active on the day of the accident, she hesitated and tried to explain that the payment was still processing and would take 24 hours to clear. The judge interrupted firmly, asking for a simple yes or no, and after a brief pause, Angela admitted that no, the insurance had not been active at that moment. This led the judge to remark that if her policy was valid, the insurance company, not the court, would be handling everything. She jokingly compared the situation to a fly hitting a windshield, saying that in a battle between a car and a bicycle, the lighter vehicle rarely stands a chance. The judge then wanted to know how long Angela had been driving uninsured, and Angela replied that she had only gotten the car that same morning. The courtroom reacted with amusement because similar excuses, as the judge pointed out, appeared far too often, people claiming missed payments, delayed processing, or last-minute issues just before an accident occurs. The judge reminded her that driving without insurance is not permitted and creates problems exactly like this one. Attention then shifted to Lamar. The judge asked if he had photographs of the bike to present as evidence. Lamar explained that he didn't, mentioning that the police station was far from his home and he have transportation besides the bicycle, making it difficult to gather records or take pictures at the time. He emphasized instead that the real impact for him was medical, stating he had accumulated around $30,000 in hospital and treatment expenses. The judge acknowledged his statement, taking note of the amount and preparing to continue with further questioning and details of what happened during the collision. Both parties waited, still firmly believing the other was at fault, and the case continued to unfold as the judge sorted through the facts to determine responsibility.